Hey guys, today I'm going to explain what proximity locking is for your Rivian, so that tutorial is coming up. So first thing you want to do is let's go figure out where it is in the car. So if you go down to the settings button here, if you don't see it down here, hit your dots here and it'll show up right here. So you can hit it from there. Then what you want to do is go down to vehicle, and the first one is access. And if you scroll down just a little bit on access, you'll see proximity locking. So what that is basically it's like kind of layman's terms is use your phone as a key. So basically if you're walking away from the car, it'll lock. If you walk towards the car, it'll unlock. So for this car, you can basically tell it per fob or per phone key. So basically me and my wife's phone keys, we have it on. And then for the Rivian fob, I have it turned off because it's inside the house and I don't want it, randomly locking or unlocking the car, just because it's kind of close to where the car is, situated in the garage. One other thing I want to note too is that location is sort of obviously important. And so basically I was having an issue where basically I would, like, the proximity locking work fine anywhere but my house. So like I'm at my parents' house right now, works totally fine. You leave, it locks. You come to the car, it unlocks. But at home, it wasn't doing that. I'd have to get into the app every time and manually open the car with the app, unlock it, lock it. So the reason why is because of location, this other setting here. So I had it off at home. So basically it's ignoring my phone pretty much unless I specifically tell the app, hey, open the car or close the car. So basically all you need to do for that is just have it always on instead of ignoring home, and then it works exactly the same way. And then you've got, phone is a key everywhere, home and when you're out. So hope that tutorial is helpful. Let me know if you have any comments below, and thanks for watching.